So welcome back coders. In this video, we will be discussing how to create a binary search tree. So for example, we will be given a sorted array. So let's assume we have been given 12, 25, 37, 50, 62, 75 and 87. So what we'll do is we'll start a low pointer, we'll start a high pointer and we'll find out the mid. So we have our mid here. For the left part, we'll go up till low to mid minus 1. And for the right part, we'll go from mid plus 1 to high. So here, it will go till low to mid minus 1. So it will be 12, 25 and 37. And for the right part, it will be 62, 75 and 87. Now, we'll again do the same thing. We make our mid the node. We go from low to mid minus 1, that is 12 becomes our left side. We go from mid plus 1 to high, so our 37 becomes our right side. Again, we do the same thing. We make our mid the node. We make the left side 62 and we make the right side 87. So this is our binary search tree. Now let's try to code this. So what I have done is I have already copied the binary tree constructor here. We'll just edit this. So we need the node class. We don't need the pair class. It is only used in the binary tree. So we'll remove this part. We need the constructor. We'll edit this. The display function is same for both. We don't need this. And we'll just write in the main function first. So what we are needed in the main function? So in the main function, first of all, we need an array. Our sorted array. So for example, we have been given 12, 25, 37, 50, 62, 75 and 87. The example that we had taken earlier. Now what we'll do is we'll just make our root construct and we'll pass three things. Our array, our low pointer that is 0 and our high pointer that will be at the length minus 1. Now we'll just display this binary search tree. Now we'll write the construct part. So we'll remove all of this part. First of all, we'll take input. So in input, we'll take an array. We'll take low and we'll take high. Now we'll find our mid. So mid will be low plus high divided by 2. We get the data at mid, which will be is equals to array mid. Array of mid. Now we'll create the left part. LC construct. It will pass array and low to mid minus 1. Why are we doing low to mid minus 1? Because all the smaller parts will be in low to mid minus 1 only. And all the greater values will be in the mid plus 1 to high part. And in the left part, we only need the smaller values. We'll write construct. We'll pass array mid plus 1 to high. So we have created our left part as well as our right part. We'll make node equals to new node. And we'll pass three things. And our node class, we need data, left part and right part. We'll pass data, left part and right part. We'll just return node. Now for the base condition, if our low is greater than high, if our low overpasses the high pointer, then we'll just return null. That means we have already created our binary search tree. So let's try to run this program. Whether it's giving a right output or not. It is not finding. Okay. So this n should be capital. Right. Yes, and our output is accepted. So our 50 has two nodes, 25 and 75. Our 25 has two nodes, 12 and 37. Yes, and our output is perfect. So let's see how this program is working. Let's take this program with us and let's understand how it's working. So here is our program. And what we had to create is, we had to create a binary search tree. And what was our search tree? 50, 25, 12, 37, 75, 62 and 87. So this was our search tree. And let's see whether we can create this from this or not. Our array was 12, 25, 37, 50, 62, 75 and 87. Let's remove this. We'll see whether our output is similar or not. So we started our low pointer at 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our low pointer is at 0 and our high pointer is at 6. Our mid value is 3. Let's take it down. So we found our mid, that is 3. We get the data, that is 50. 50 is at 3. We created the node. Now left part is from low to mid minus 1. So it is 0 from 2. And the right part is from mid plus 1 to high. So it is 0 from 0 to 2 and 4 to 6. Again we find our mid. 0 to 2 our mid is 1. And from 4 to 6 our mid is 5. So at 1 we get the data 25. And here we will get the data 75. Now again when we do this, we make left part from low to mid minus 1. So it became 0 to 0. Our right part will become 2 to 2. Here also 4 to 4 and 6 to 6. Here our mid is also 0. So we create the node 12. Here our mid is 2. We create the node 37. Here our mid is 4. We create the node 62. And here our mid is 6. We create the node 87. So our output is exactly what we expected and we wanted this output only. So this is the binary search tree that we are creating from our code. 37, 75, 62 and 87. And this was our required output. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next question.